Hello! In this video I'm going to experiment with paragraphs and line breaks. I've opened my HTML document from the last video, and firstly I'm going to add some more text to my paragraph. So the sentences that I'll be adding are: I'm learning to code from scratch, I have no previous experience, I'm an absolute beginner, I'm over 40, I'm using a book aimed at teenagers as my guide, and I had zero knowledge of coding before starting. As you can see, I've added each line of text to a new line within my coding template. But when I open the file in a web browser, all the sentences are bunched together. So how do I put each sentence on its own line? To put each line of text on its own line, I can use a line break tag at the end of each sentence. The line break tag is a self-closing HTML tag. It is a single tag, it does not need an opening tag. And this is how my web page looks now after adding the line break tags. All the sentences are now on their own line. But what if I want to split the sentences into two paragraphs? I put the closing paragraph tag at the end of the sentence where I want to end my first paragraph, and I put the opening paragraph tag at the start of the sentence where my second paragraph will begin. Now you can see how the sentences are split on my web page after adding the paragraph tags. It's still a very basic web page, but I'm happy as I've created it myself from scratch. I can see my progress visually, and I'm still understanding everything I've learnt so far. In the next video, I'll learn how to add images to my web page. If you want to see how I progress learning coding, then please subscribe and let's see what happens.